Hi people, welcome to Tots and Moms. My name is Kavitha Prashanth and in today's video I'm going to answer, can I give my baby grapes? When can I offer? What are the health benefits? And choking hazard, how to take care of it? Grapes are the most favorable fruit, I would say, because of its different taste. It is sweet, it is sour, and it is a delicious combination, and I love it the most. And I would like to add on, it belongs to berries category, and there are almost 8,000 varieties available in the world. It is available in multiple colors, seedless version with seeds. It is eaten fresh, and it is also dried and used in multiple ways. Even in so many traditional foods we add dried grapes, right? It is something that everybody loves, people of all age. Now when it comes to babies, we worry. Definitely it is common. I would elaborate further. So to begin with, you can give it to your child when the baby is weaning, because they are still learning the process of eating, learning to understand different varieties of taste. At that age, this sweet and sour combination will be really refreshing for them. So do consider offering it to them. Okay, to convince you, I would start with the health benefits of grapes. It is filled and high in water content, and hence keeps your baby energized and hydrated for a longer time. So do offer it. It is high in vitamin C, which helps in development of tissues and bone as well. It is also beneficial as it helps in aiding good digestion and relieving constipation. You must be knowing soaking dried raisins and then boiling it in water is one of the simple medication done during constipation. So do consider offering it at a regular interval. It also protects from respiratory infections and boosts immunity. Anything local, seasonal will definitely boost immunity, and that's why I say a lot about giving seasonal fruits to babies, not something expensive and something which has come from a different nation. When and how to offer grapes to babies. If you're following baby-led weaning, at 6 months you can start giving it like any other food. You can see the video, I will be adding it in between. It is of my son who is 7 months old. He started to eat it. Now baby-led weaning is what? Allowing your child to decide how much to eat and what to eat and when to eat. Now the baby's jaw is strong enough to eat on its own, and baby though finds it difficult to pick up the food initially, but later will learn on its own. So it is giving full control to the child, and in this method if baby is eating, then it's fine to offer at 6 months in the form of pieces because baby knows how to chew. But otherwise, if you're following traditional method, do puree it. Ensure you do not make it too watery. You puree it and offer it, strain before offering, and you can mix it with any other cereal or food. And once you think your baby is ready, 8 months, 10 months, 12 months, then you can offer it the way I have offered it to my son here. This is very important because grapes are a great choking hazard. Grapes are of a size of kid's throat. It can get stuck and babies can suffer severe concerns, or there have been so many records where babies have died. Yes, I'm sorry to say this, you need to be very, very careful while you offer it. You have to always cut it like this and offer it to your child. And these grapes are also slippery. While you're walking or while you're talking, if you pop in something, you will not get the control. It can accidentally get into your food pipe. So this shouldn't happen with your children. So make them sit down and then eat it without fail. And every child is different, but ideally until 3 to 4 years it is important to chop it like this and offer. But if your baby is able to, if your kid, by then he or she is a kid, if your kid is able to eat it easily, then you decide. But until 3 or 4 years, it is important to monitor while you offer this amazing fruit to your child. I really hope you like this video. If you did, give a thumbs up, share this video with your friends, and consider following us. We share a lot of such information like this in simplest way possible. And do check our organic food store by the name Tots and Moms, where you can find cereals, porridges, organic, chemical free, USDA certified, cookies, and many other products there. Products are available on Amazon, Flipkart, and FirstCry as well. Do check them. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.